Avocados are a superfood, gaining a lot of attention these days. We caught up with Dr. Elizabeth Johnson from Tufts University to hear about her research on avocados and their potential benefit for cognitive health.
Well, the reason I study it is because, unlike a lot of fruits, it contains a carotenoid called lutein. And lutein is pretty important when it comes to neural health, so that includes vision and cognition. Well, lutein is in a class of plant pigments called carotenoids, and there's hundreds of them. But lutein's unique because for some reason, neural tissue, like the retina, like the lens, like the brain, preferentially takes up lutein. So we think that's important, and there's a lot of epidemiology to suggest that higher lutein status is related to decreased risk of age-related eye disease and age-related cognition. Well, what we did, we conducted a study in which we had a control group which ate foods that didn't contain lutein, and the treatment group which consumed daily for 6 months 1 avocado a day. And so we looked at cognition before they began their intervention and after 6 months. And what we found was that those that ate the avocado actually improved in cognition. So that's a big deal because these were older adults, and usually when you get older you want to maintain your cognition, but to improve was, I thought, a big deal. The reason we think avocados are so great for macular pigmentation and uptake of lutein in the brain is that vehicle. It's a great source of the monounsaturated fatty acids, which are important to get more lutein into neural tissue, because lutein, the only way it gets anywhere is on an HDL particle in particular, and monounsaturated fatty acids are really good at increasing your HDL levels. So that's probably why avocados were so great at increasing neural levels of lutein.